How's it, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about Mp9 conversions. So I have a lot of people like asking questions if I can do it. Yes, I can. I've done Mp9 conversions before, and personally, I never made up the loom. But if somebody gave me a damaged wiring, I was able to put it back and start a vehicle. That's what I did for my friend's car. But today I'm trying to make a series where I teach all of you how to make your own MP9 loom. Like you can see right here, I have the lug part of it. This is 90% of what you would need if you're trying to make up a loom, because this is the most important part, the part that connects to the computer box. And I have the MP9 diagram, which comes in very handy because it's impossible for me to remember all of this offhand. Like some of it I would, but it's quite difficult. And when people go on the internet, I think this is the only information on the internet about the MP9, how to do it, and it's a bit overwhelming. So I've done a sketch here, mind my drawings, but I've done a sketch here, and I'm just going to roughly go over it and explain why certain things are done the way it is. And you guys can screenshot this and save it, and then I'm going to put a link for the MP9 diagram. I'm going to put a link for it so you can download that as well, and then maybe as you read through it you would understand why it's done that way, and you'll be able to locate the pins easier. But bear in mind, this is just a short video just to show you guys where the stuff goes. Okay guys, here's the diagram. I'm not going to go over each one because I put the link for you guys where you can download the picture of the pinouts, but use this as a reference. On the top I have the computer box lug, then I drew the battery, I drew the coil, the 3-pin coil, I drew the knock sensor, the cold start switch, distributor, fuel pump with the injectors, the fuel pump relay, and I drew a little intake there with the map sensor and the throttle position sensor. So I just want to give you a few tips on this. Your injectors are powered by that relay. Your fuel pump is also powered by that relay. It needs constant power when you turn the ignition and start the, okay, when the car is running, it needs constant power. How your injectors actually spray fuel is because it gets grounded, right? And those ground signals come from the computer box. You can see there, it goes to the minus of all the injectors, and I put that in green. Then you have your constant power to the battery. I put that in red on the top. You have number 1, which is constant ground for the computer box. Once you have those basic things set up, you can work around and get your, like I put there, blue lines for the coil, I put orange lines for the knock sensor, I put pink lines for the distributor. And another quick tip, not most, all your sensors will have to go back to pin 17. If you see there, I wrote earth for sensors. Like example, let's just say your distributor came, you got your 2 wires, 2 and you got 3 on your distributor. Your pin 1 will have to go back to pin 17. Likewise with your map sensor, you have the wires for the map sensor and you need 1 to return back to pin 17. Even the throttle position sensor, you have to have that 1 pin going back to 17. Those are to ground your sensors for them to work. So yeah guys, this was just a rough idea that I came up with, like to just throw it out for you. Maybe it'll make a difference, maybe it won't, and a lot of guys might say I did stuff wrong, and I'm open to correction. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, because most probably in the third or the second video of the series, of the MP9 Doom series, I would be able to source all the plugs, like the throttle position sensor, the map sensor, knock sensor. Currently I don't have any of those things. So yeah, I'll be getting all those plugs soon. And as soon as I get the plugs, I'll be able to make a step-by-step guide physically showing you how to connect it, and how to, what wires to join, what wires to cut, basically how to create your own short loom. So stay tuned for that. It'll be coming soon. Hopefully I'm able to find, because guys don't want to just sell the lugs, and I don't want to buy the complete short loom. I want to make it myself. And yeah, Hope you enjoyed this.